Ever wondered how to use GitHub effectively? In the digital era, GitHub has emerged as a crucial platform for developers across the globe. It's more than just a website. It's a collaborative development environment where ideas transform into reality. At its core, GitHub is home to millions of repositories, which are essentially project folders. Each repository serves as a project's home, where all the necessary files and relevant documentation are stored. But GitHub is not just about storage, it's about evolution. This is where branches come into play. A branch is essentially a unique set of code changes with a unique name. It allows you to experiment with new ideas without affecting the main project. And then there are commits and pull requests. A commit is like saving a file, marking a point in your project's history. When you're ready to share your changes, you initiate a pull request. Now, it's time to dive in and understand how to actually use GitHub. First things first, you need a GitHub account. So let's dive right in. Head over to the GitHub website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked for some basic information, your email address, a username, and a password. Remember, your username will be visible to the public, so choose something that suits your style or your brand. Now, about that password, make it strong, make it unique. This is crucial to protect your work and your account from unwanted attention. Now here's an important step: setting up two-factor authentication. This provides an extra layer of security to your account. You'll receive a verification code on your phone each time you sign in, making it harder for anyone else to access your account. It's a few minutes work, but it's worth it. Trust me. Great. Now with your account set up, you're ready to create your first repository. A repository, or repo, is where all your project files live. Picture it as a digital storage locker for your code, equipped with version control to track changes and foster collaboration. To create a new repository, simply click the plus icon on your GitHub profile, then select New Repository. Choosing a name for your repository is crucial. It should be clear, concise, and indicative of the project it represents. Think of it as the title of your book. It needs to give a glimpse into the content that lies within. Don't forget to add a description. The more thorough, the better. It's your chance to provide context about your project and its purpose. Lastly, consider initializing your repository with a README file. This acts as the introduction or the first chapter of your book, providing more details about your project and how others can contribute or use it. With your repository created, it's time to explore branches. Branches are key to working on different features without affecting the main project. Imagine a tree, where the main project is the trunk and each branch represents a different feature or change you're working on. Creating a new branch is as simple as clicking on the branch dropdown and typing in your new branch name. It's crucial to give your branch a clear name that relates to the feature or change you're making. This helps keep things organized and makes it easier for others to understand your workflow. Switching between branches is a breeze. Just go back to the branch dropdown and select the branch you want to switch to. Remember, changes made in one branch won't affect the others, so you can experiment and take risks without worrying about messing up your main project. Now that you've created a branch, let's dive into commits. Commits are like saving your work, and pull requests are about collaboration. So let's dive into the world of commits and pull requests. Making a commit is as simple as a click of a button. But remember, the true art lies in crafting a clear, descriptive commit message. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for yourself and others to understand the changes you've made. Now, on to pull requests. Imagine you've made some brilliant changes to your code and you want your teammates to review them. This is where pull requests come into play. You can easily open a pull request and your teammates will be notified. They can then review your code, suggest changes, or even approve it. That's it, folks. You've now got a handle on commits and pull requests. Congratulations! You've just learned the basics of using GitHub. Remember, practice makes perfect.